Hi everyone, we're up here in the loft at
Willstand Junction.
That's right, and I'm Tris, and you are?
William.
And this is my nephew, who's been into trains since you were born, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We've been to a lot of railways when I was a little boy.
What's your favourite railway you first went to?
Probably Didcot, because I've been there quite a lot of
That's
times.
right. I think we've all been there when we were very, very young. It's
Yeah.
brilliant. So we've been enjoying running your layout today, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've run every train, haven't we?
Yeah.
We haven't run the Batman train yet, but we'll probably run that in a bit.
We have run the Bat train, the Warship class, and the Princess and the Watercress line train.
Yep, so we can run them in a bit.
Yeah.
But we have run Thomas, Percy, Duck, Edward, James. Who are the ones in the engine shed there?
Henry Gordon Spencer.
Yes. And who are the fastest ones out of all of them?
The King.
Yeah? Okay, fine, we'll go for that.
It is quite fast. So.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me about what's your favourite part of the layout? Because I've seen you've got some different things on here. So what's that?
And that is the turntable board.
And what does it do?
Yeah, it turns round. I don't know what it really does in real life.
Well, I guess if the engine's pointing the wrong direction, it would help it point the right direction, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that'd be great. And then what's here, behind here, where Scruffy is?
Here.
Yeah, what's this lovely building here?
That's the coaling stage with it, and so there's men right here with buckets on wheels,
Yeah.
and they pour it down
Yes.
into a little tender of a train, and then until it's all filled up, and then it just goes. The train goes backward.
Okay, so you've got your engine shed.
Yeah.
Yep. Coaling stage, turntable, and then you've got this really big station in front of me. And who's in the station at the moment?
The Linear Flying Scotsman.
Brilliant. And how many coaches does he have?
7.
7 coaches. That's a lot of coaches. Is he all right with it when he pulls 7?
He does this wheel spin that
Yeah.
I like.
That's kind of cool.
When it's heavy freight on train, they do that.
Oh, that's brilliant. So, and then over here you've got like some sidings here with some bits. So
Yeah.
this is like a shunting area for you.
Yes, it's all shunting area. So there'll be trucks right there, wagons and trucks. There will, and then there'll be a little train.
Yeah.
I mean,
Which one would you normally use?
it's not a train, it's a
Okay.
car what goes in
Oh, a
with
car.
there with coal,
Yeah.
and then it dumps it into there, and then
Yeah.
the trucks come and fill their big barrels of something, have a big bucket and then pour into a truck, and then a train pulls it and then put
That's why Scruffy's up there.
another truck, and then they can just put some coal into an engine.
That's fantastic. So your railway can look after itself, so it can get
Yeah.
coal from the cars. It can take care of everything.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So I've seen that your railway goes underneath.
Yeah, it
Daddy's
goes to
out.
the other end of the room.
Yeah, because you can just see it underneath, can't you?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And your controller, you have 3 controls.
Yeah, so this one's the shunting yard one.
Yeah. Okay.
This one is, and this.
Okay.
and that-
so that's
this-
number 1.
That one's the main. This one, number 1's main line, and number 2's branch
I
line.
see.
And the black one is the shunting
Okay.
one.
And where does the branch line go?
It just goes round.
Okay, so we've got Percy. Shall we make him go round
Yeah.
and see him? So that's number 2, isn't it? So if we
He-
just have
he
Percy
just-
go round. So he goes round here.
It just goes round near the engine shed. It does, and then
Yeah,
round there where the white cliffs are.
yes. So the white
And
cliffs
then-
of Dover.
Not exactly.
No.
Wait, there's no. It's even bigger than that. It's twice,
Yeah.
3 times,
Oh, okay,
10
fine.
times.
I agree. So that's Percy. And then when Flying Scotsman goes round, so he goes through the tunnel over here.
Yeah, should
Yeah,
we
shall
have
we
it
show
to
him?
run? Yeah.
Should we run him round? Wrong way. So he goes down here. Wheels spinning. Get going. He's got a bit of work to get those coaches going, hasn't he? So he disappears into the tunnel.
Yeah, he goes round the chimney. He
Yeah.
does, and then comes out.
Here he is.
And then just
Flying around here.
comes out. He does.
It's fantastic. So shall we put some video up of all the different shots that we got from earlier?
Yeah.
We had great fun, didn't we?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Looks really good. So I didn't ask you about your loco depot too much, so tell me a bit more about it.
So this is the engine sheds where all the trains lay.
Yeah.
And don't hear their names.
Yeah, tell me about all the ones that you like and all the ones that are there.
We have Henry,
Yeah.
Gordon, Spencer, Duck, Edward, James, Thomas, Emily, Diesel, Percy, and
Who's this one?
that's Daddy's. That's not mine.
Yeah, but it's still on your layout.
Yeah, and Toby.
I'd like to know, how was the layout made?
We built it bit by bit. We did.
Mhm.
First, we had the Daddy's granddad's board. We built this. We built it. We had the tornado go on it. We did
Yeah.
for first. That was the first engine run on it, I think.
Yeah.
And then we built the track for going
Yes.
round.
So
and
was
then,
that just the branch line to begin
yeah,
with?
and then these pieces
Yes. At the points.
The point.
Yeah.
This was a normal track,
Yes.
but we didn't have the main line, so we didn't have
Okay.
that big track. We
I
did
see. So
have,
it got added on.
We did have this track. We
Mhm.
did, but it didn't go there and there.
I see. So it just
So
went round with the branch
When
line.
Stanley got older and I was getting up here, we couldn't both do the trains. So Daddy built a main line so we could both play
Brilliant.
trains at the same time.
Can you tell me about this grass? It looks really nice. You've got. It's kind of spiky.
We used a thingy. Used something to make the grass stand up.
Yeah. Is that like
It's
like static grass or something?
Yeah, I think it's static, but
Yeah.
the grass machine wasn't meant to do big places.
Okay.
It wasn't. So Daddy, he tested on mine,
Mhm.
and then he was
Had some
doing
practice.
yeah.
So you've got your cliffs over there. They
Yeah,
look
it's not the
brilliant.
White Cliffs of Dover.
No, not the White Cliffs
or
of Dover.
Land's End or
Is it the White
Beachy
Cliffs of
Head.
Winstanton Junction? Winstanton Junction.
the cliffs of wherever it goes. The cliffs of
Winston.
the cliffs of oh yeah,
The cliffs of Winston.
yeah, the cliffs of Winston. That'd be
That's
good.
right. Yeah, and then you've got your cows over there. You've
Yep.
got some there. You've got some horses. That's right. You've even got a very large bulldog over there.
Yeah, the
So-
bulldog.
That's fantastic. And then over here there's a big car collection. There's a lot of Land Rovers. It looks like in classic cars.
Yeah, we built this road. We didn't have that many cars.
Yeah.
We didn't. So we went to a Hornby Model Railway show
Yeah.
and we bought some. I see these are all the ones what we bought.
Yeah.
They are. We only bought these.
Yeah.
So this was Stanley's first one. This was.
Yeah.
We when we went to a Hornby show in London, and we bought King James I, which is my king.
Yeah.
Tristram has his king, which is
Okay.
King George V. But King George V didn't work, so we
Okay.
bought my own king called King James I, and then that's at the same place that we got this one.
I see. That's fantastic. Well, thank you. I see you've got a really cool t-shirt. What does it say?
Eat, sleep, change, repeat.
Eat, sleep, trains, repeat. That's brilliant. I need to get one of them. So, William, what is your favourite engine in real life?
Oh, King Edward II.
Yeah. And have you seen King Edward II before?
Yeah, quite a lot.
And where did you see him?
At Didcot Railway.
Yeah. So if I went to see him now, could I see him?
Not really. He is in the workshop, but you can see him, but not
Okay.
running.
Will he be running soon?
2 years' time, he will.
Fantastic.
Now there will be other trains running.
Yeah, we can watch them.
Like castles, halls, manors, prairies, auto tanks.
I have one more question to ask you. You've got a Batman engine over there.
Yeah.
You don't have to grab him. We'll put some shots in whilst we're talking about it. But
Yeah.
tell me a bit about the Batman engine, because I believe that's Stanley's engine.
Yeah, it is Stanley's.
Yeah, that's your little brother.
Yeah,
Yes.
Stanley, my little brother.
Yep. And so tell me a bit about the loco. So it
So
looks
first
pretty
there was
amazing.
a LMS black train,
Yeah.
and then Daddy bought some lining and Batman stickers.
Yeah.
Batman lining and stickers what was meant to put on trains.
Yeah.
And we put a Batman badge on the front of the
Yes.
chimney and two on the side.
Brilliant.
Then Tristram,
Yeah.
who's over here, printed, and right here,
What does it say? City of...
it says City of Gotham.
That's right.
First, I thought it was City of Gotham
Yeah,
at first,
Oh.
because I couldn't see the G.
that's
I
fine.
couldn't.
Yeah, my printing wasn't very good on that one.
Yeah.
No, but that's great though.
The painting was a bit smudged too.
Oh, well,
I
we
couldn't
can
quite
always sort that
see
out
it.
in the future. Okay, William, well, thank you very much for today. It's been fantastic. I've really enjoyed myself. Anyway, watching everything go round, it's been really wonderful for me. And I think, have you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, quite a bit.
Yeah? Great. So, and can I come back again?
Sure, you
Yeah?
can.
So, right. Well, we'll see you soon. And see you on the next video. And goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.